Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have Oreo Fudge, a great little snack for your Christmas get-together. Alright, as you can see here, I have 3/4 of a cup of butter over about medium heat that I'm melting up. And now we want to add 3 cups of white sugar and 2/3 of a cup of evaporated milk. And then you want to basically stir this constantly almost until basically it's just brung to a boil. So you just want to bring it to a boil. Again, stirring constantly. If you don't stir it constantly, there is a great chance the sugar's going to burn. So yeah, it's kind of a bit labor intensive, but shouldn't take more than 5 minutes for this to get to the boil. If you're using gas, if you're using electric, I'm sorry, it'll take longer, and I have no idea how long that'll be. All right, let's move on. Okay, now that it's brought to the boil, you want to kill the heat, and then you want to add 2 cups of white chocolate chips. And then you want to add 1 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you just want to stir this until everything is mixed together and kind of nice and smooth. And last thing you want to add to this is 1 cup of crushed Oreo cookies. And then give that a stir around. Make sure everything is all nice and mixed together. And now we're going to go to a parchment-lined baking sheet. And I'll basically show you the last step. All right, I apologize for the crudity of this shot because you have to move quick. So basically you want to pour this into a 9x13 baking dish that you've lined with parchment paper, or smaller ones if you want slightly thicker fudge. And then you just want to cool at room temperature, or if you want to speed the process up, place it in the fridge for just a little bit. All right, show you the end product. All right, as you can see here, some little snacking. And basically you just want to cut this up into little pieces and serve. All right, that's Oreo Fudge. Done.